How to change your Skrill password. You can change a known Skrill password only from a web browser. Go to Skrill and sign in using your current credentials. Open Settings, scroll to the Security section and find Password. Click Change. Enter your current password first, then type the new password exactly as you want it saved. Skrill's form may not ask you to type the new password a second time, so use the eye icon to check it carefully before selecting Save. Choose a password that you don't use on any other website and never share it, your PIN, or a one-time code with anyone. If you don't remember the current password, don't keep trying this form. Log out, return to the login page, and use Forgot Your Password instead. Also, update the password on your registered email account if you believe either account may have been compromised, and then review Trusted Devices under Settings and Security. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.